Okay, we're gonna do this quick because my phone finna die. I'm finna take these potatoes out of this pot because I'm tired of waiting. And it's just potatoes. So let's get it. Okay, so the plant could have went a little more.
Hi.
Wait, get your fingers out the way. But this is what we have so far.
And we got one.
Take that out. Put it in the bucket. Look at that one.
1, 2.
Mm-hmm.
I want the big one.
The big one. I wonder, do we have some more deep down in there?
I see one.
That's that little baby one.
Yeah.
Oh, it's another one that was trying to come through right there. They call those taties.
Mama, look. I saw the
Here's
baby ones.
Ugly seed potato.
Mommy, look.
Mm-hmm.
Mommy, look. A big old baby.
Look at that one. Get that little one out of there.
Okay. I get it.
Itty bitty baby one. Mm-hmm. Seed potato actually. And that's all, folks. The plant could have went a little longer. I just got impatient. So I'm about to rinse these off, and we're probably gonna have them one day for dinner.